Hey loves, hey, let's get into customizing these press-on nails. First things first, I'm going to organize the nails from pinky to thumb and ensuring that each nail fits from sidewall to sidewall. Then using my nail drill, I'm going to file the back of the nail, which is going to help ensure the adhesion of the nail later. Now I'm using some onyx to remove all the additional nail polish on my nail, then filing and shaping my nail using a 180 grit file. Now I'm using some cuticle remover. I let it sit for about a minute and then pushing it off of the nail bed. Then, since we're going to be using the UV and LED light, I'm applying some sunscreen. Now I'm going to dehydrate the nail. After I dehydrate, I apply one primer. Then the second coat of primer is to help with bonding. Then I'm doing one coat of base gel, and then I'm going to flash cure that for 30 seconds. Now I'm applying glue to the back of the nail. Once I press it onto my nail, I like to take my time and do it slowly to ensure there are no air bubbles. Then flash cure that under my light for 30 seconds. Then I'm going to go in with a top coat of gel. And cure that for another 30 seconds. Now let's get into the nail art. So first things first, on my ring finger and my thumb, I'm going to do a V-cut French design. For my index finger, my middle finger, and pinky, I'm going to do somewhat of an S design. So I'm doing the letter S but elongated, starting from the base of my nail and working my way to the tip. First, I'm going to do a bold line, and then I'm going to follow up and do a thinner line right beside it. And then on the side of each nail, I did somewhat of like the letter C. Then I allow that to cure for about a minute. Now I'm applying my final coat of top gel polish and curing that for 2 minutes under the light. Now I'm going back in with my 180 grit file and just smoothing the tips of the nails so there's no rough edges. Applying my cuticle oil. And there you have it. Thanks so much for watching. I hope to see you in the next video.